Alexa, play it again.
I'll
Here we
repeat the
go.
song.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
This is another Dragon Ball fusion from Unreal Gaming. Tonight we're gonna draw the fusion of Perfect Cell and Ultra Instinct Goku. This is my first time drawing this guy, and for a perfect reason, I'm starting to take a liking to this guy. Ever since I first saw this guy in action. Basically, what would happen if Cell were to absorb Goku and achieve this state? It's like when Moro absorbed Goku in Rising Fist. Anyways, in this state that Cell is in, his body is black and white and has a he has a black and white silver look in his eyes. Besides all the Super Saiyan 3 stuff that I've been drawing, the Ultra Instinct stuff that I've been drawing is way cooler. There we go. Here is his feet. Alexa, what is Argentinosaurus?
From Wikipedia.org. Argentinosaurus is a genus of giant sauropod dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period in what is now Argentina.
Alexa, name a few tyrannosaurs.
This might answer your question. Tyrannosaurus rex, Albertosaurus, Gorgosaurus.
Alright. Now we just draw his hands. Now we just draw the legs. This is how we draw the wings here. We draw Perfect Cell's wings on his back. I mean, what the heck? An animal with a man's body? That's not right. I'm talking about any being with an upper body like that. That's just self-centeredly wrong. Didn't think he looked like this. There he is. That is how you draw a perfect Cell and Goku combined. That's all for now, guys. He looks great. Be on the lookout for more Dragon Ball related stuff. I'm always here and I won't stop until it's all complete. Well, of course I got other stuff on the line like drawing my huge pieces like dinosaur stuff. And there are more stuff at the Museum of Natural History I wanted to discover. Anyway, that's all for now, guys. Good night.